Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning, I bet, to all of you. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing well. I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. Okay, without wasting time, let us start our Pdpr session for today. We're still in the first unit, which is Where Are You From? And the subtopic is Story Time. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. These are the learning objectives for today. Okay, now everyone, today we're going to read a story entitled Charlie's Birthday Surprise. To make it easy for you, please go and take this book. You can pause the video while searching for the book and play the video again. Okay, everyone, have you got the book with you right now? Okay, please turn to page 12 and 13. We're going to read the story shortly after this. Okay, now, what we are going to do today is to read the story while listening to the audio. I will play an audio for you to listen to the correct pronunciation, stress, and intonation. We can read and learn with the audio. Are you ready, everyone? Okay.
Module 1. Story Time. Charlie's Birthday Surprise. Part 1. 1. Who's Charlie's favourite actor? Listen and read.
It's Saturday morning and Charlie is watching TV. Charlie's favourite actor is on TV. His name is Bruce Chang. Bruce is Chinese. Charlie likes Bruce because he is a good actor and he does karate. Charlie also does karate.
I do karate too.
A lady on TV is asking Bruce questions.
Do you do karate every day, Bruce?
She asks.
Yes, I do karate every day after breakfast.
Bruce says.
I also play football. Sometimes I play table tennis at the weekends.
Charlie also plays football.
I play football too.
Later that afternoon, Charlie rides his bike to the park. Charlie's friends, Reggie and Dean, are at the park. Charlie tells his friends about the TV show.
Bruce Chang is great,
says Charlie.
I want to meet him.
But Bruce Chang lives in China,
says Reggie.
Yes,
says Charlie.
I know. Let's go to China.
Reggie and Dean laugh.
We can't go to China,
says Reggie.
Let's play football instead,
says Dean.
Oh, all right,
says Charlie.
Okay, everyone, were you able to follow the narrator's pronunciation, stress, and intonation? If you were not, you can always go back and play the video over and over again. Okay, please read along with the narrator for it because it is good for you. You can learn to pronounce the words with good pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Okay. Do you understand the story? What the story is all about? Do you understand all the words written in the story? If you don't, you can always refer to your dictionary. You can look up for the meanings of the words in your dictionary. But there's an easier way. You can always use Google Translate. Have you ever used it? Okay, if you don't, or if you don't know how to use Google Translate, let me show you. Okay, first, please open Google Search and key in the word Google Translate. Okay, it's already there. Okay, you will see this page. Please look at the boxes on the left and the right. The box on the left is for you to key in the words you don't understand. But before that, you must set the language first. Okay, now the language here is Malay. Please change it to English. Okay, you have to find it lah. Okay, if you malah nak cari satu-satu, you can type or you can key in English. Okay, and on the right, you must make sure that it is in Malay, bahasa Melayu. Okay, now key in the words. Okay, for example, instead, it automatically translates the word in bahasa Melayu. And you can learn to pronounce the word. Just click on the speaker. I hope it helps. Okay, children, to test your understanding, let us do some exercises. Exercise number 1. Read the sentences and write Charlie or Bruce. Number 1. He is watching TV on Saturday morning. How to answer this? To answer this, you have to refer to page 12 and 13. Okay, the answer is Charlie. Good job. Next, he is a famous actor. Yes, of course, obviously it is Bruce. He does karate every day after breakfast. Which one? Charlie or Bruce? To find the answer, please refer to page 12, paragraph number 2. The answer is, yes, it's Bruce. Next, Reggie and Dean are his friends. It's obviously Charlie. He lives in China. Of course, it's Bruce. He wants to go to China. Of course, it is Charlie. Okay, well done everyone. Let's move on to the next exercise. In this exercise, you are going to read and match who said what. You are going to match the characters with their dialogue. Number 1, A. But Bruce Chang lives in China. Who said that? Reggie, Dean, or Charlie? You can refer to page 13, paragraph number 4. Yes, the answer is Reggie. I want to meet him. Of course, who else wants to meet Bruce, right? Other than Charlie. And then, let's play football instead. Who suggests that? Yes, the answer is also in page 13, picture number 4. It is Dean. And last but not least, sometimes I play table tennis at the weekend. Yes, the answer is Bruce. Well done, everyone. Now, the next activity is for you to read and write T for true and F for false. Let us do this exercise together. Number 1. Bruce Chang dances and sings on TV. Is it true? Bruce Chang doesn't dance and sing, but he does karate. He is an actor. So the answer is? Yes, good job. The answer is F. Question number 2. A man is asking Bruce the questions on the TV show. Is it true? Please refer to the story and you can find the answer. Is it a man? No, it is stated there, a lady. So the answer is false. Well done. Okay, next. Number 3. Charlie plays football. Does he? You can find the answer in paragraph number 2. Picture number 2. I play football too. Yes, the answer is true. Next, Charlie sees his two friends at school. Sorry, there's typo there. On Monday morning. Is the answer correct? Can you please refer to the story again? No. Charlie meets his friends on the same day. Okay, he watches TV on Saturday and later that afternoon. So it is Saturday afternoon. The answer is false. Okay, mesti ada yang buat salah kan? Okay, never mind. We are learning. Okay, number 5. Charlie wants to meet his favorite actor, Bruce Chang. Is it true? Yes, of course. He's very fond of the actor, right? Okay, true. And number 6. Charlie, Reggie, and Dean are going to China. Is it true? No, they are not. So the answer is false. Well done, everyone. Okay, with that, it's the end of our lesson for today. I hope all of you can get the gist of the lesson for today. Okay, I will give you the exercise afterwards in your WhatsApp group. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you, everyone. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for listening.